up, guys? Speckle here again, and today I have the brand new Samsung Galaxy Z Flip. This phone has a wall charger, stereo headset, USB connector, quick start guide, terms and conditions, and a clear cover. This does not say the capacity of it. However, it does say it's unlocked by Samsung. So let's get right into it. If you haven't already subscribed, please consider and hit that bell icon so you can get new notifications when videos are posted. So let me first open this phone. Like I said, it is unlocked by Samsung. One, two. Let's see what this is about. Okay, so we have Galaxy Z Flip or Flip Z, whichever way you want to say it. Open it up. So at first we have the Samsung logo. And at first we see the terms and conditions and meet the future. The future changes shape. Meet your Galaxy Z Flip. And here it is. So let me open it. Here it is. This phone is very nice. Now, if you haven't seen the Galaxy Fold unboxing, please do see that. You can check it out at my channel. But this is a much simpler unboxing because it's a simpler phone. Well, it's tinier. This does not, it has the premium service for 24 hours like the other one did. Pretty much the same unboxing experience as the original one. This has the fast charger, but not the really fast charger that the Galaxy Note 10 had, which I unboxed. Charger. Oh, it's kind of disappointing. It doesn't have the Galaxy Buds like the other one, like the Galaxy Fold had. It's kind of like the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 unboxing. Really like. Okay, well, that's pretty much it. So, this is how it looks when you unbox it. But let's move all this aside and get to the Galaxy Z Flip. So I have no clue. All I know is that it's the black edition, and I will be seeing if this phone is better than the iPhone XR, because that's what I am using currently. It said it came with a clear cover. Is there anything else behind here? I don't see anything else. This doesn't come on. Wait, this thing does come with the clear case, right? It did say. Oh. There's a box behind here, but. Okay, that took a little bit. Alright, so I did not expect that, but I don't even know why it was stuck. Like, if you're not doing this and you're just unboxing it, you're not going to realize that this is back here. But it was stuck to the top. I'm curious why it was. I mean, it should not have been. It should have been easy to unbox. I don't even know why. Alright, so let me take this out. Okay. It has SIM card ejector like the original one did. Galaxy quick reference guide. Okay. Take that out, put that aside. Here's the clear case cover. Okay, so the back has a really weird sound to it. I don't know what that's the point is. You can't see it from the front, but you can certainly see it from the back. I don't really know if you can see it or not. Maybe through the glare, but alright, well, it comes with a case. I'm most likely not going to use this case, but it's nice that they included it. Alright, so let me take this Galaxy Z Flip out of the box and see if it's nice. Okay. How do I take this out? Ooh. Oh, that's nice. That is really nice. Very satisfying. Okay. Kind of like the original one with the black. Here it is. Now, I will be putting this aside, right back how I unboxed it. Okay. I will definitely not be using any of the accessories in here because there's really no point for them. Okay. Put this all aside because I do not need any of this currently. Okay, so we have the case, and here's the Galaxy Z Flip. All right, let's bend it for the first time. Okay, so let me just give you my first impressions. First impressions is this fold's a lot different than the original fold. The other one was a little flimsy in the middle. This one is more solid. It feels more sturdy. However, you don't get that satisfying click. Feels like it's just stuck together. I mean, I know there's magnets in here, but I don't feel them. Okay, that's something else that I haven't really seen in any other videos, but there are little rubber barriers here. Little rubber barriers here that were not on the original fold, and they're not on this side. It's only one way. I don't know if you can really see it. You maybe can, but there is a crease. It's not as big, but you'll probably notice it more because you're always going this way. Okay. Does have that little screen in the front. It is black, like I said. There's nothing on the back. It's very clean. But as you fold it, you do see the Samsung logo. Okay, let me just say something right before I even turn this on. I noticed right away that this phone also came open like the Galaxy Fold. There's a lot of traits that are similar. The speaker is not in the screen. You can see the little slit. Does have the T-caps like the original one did. Has these little rubber bumpers, unlike the Galaxy Fold had. So plastic on plastic, I guess. But that's probably... Oh, look how tiny that gap is in between. A lot tinier than the Galaxy Fold was. The Galaxy Fold was really big. It was like that much of a gap. But this one is really tiny. You can barely even see through it. Samsung logo. But this hinge is nice. So this is a glass screen, unlike the original Galaxy Fold. But it is indeed, there is a protective layer. So it's not really, you're not really getting the benefits of glass because there is a plastic protector over the glass. Also, Samsung verifies that you can indeed put a screen protector over it. I'm not going to do that, but you do have the option. Okay, so I'm not taking any of the tabs. I'm not gluing it. That's what it does look like with the case. Nobody's really shown it. And man, it looks ugly. Yeah, I'm not using this case. No way. Maybe. I may grow onto it. But first impressions, oh no. 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 I'm not using this. Okay. I like it better with this. It just looks so much nicer. Alright, so I also noticed that the power button is not set from the fingerprint sensor. It is an all-in-one. It also clicks, so let's see if this thing will power on. Okay. So we have Galaxy Z Flip and Galaxy Z Flip. Just like the original one, all the screens are lighting up when you turn it on. Now, something I noticed with the Samsung Galaxy Fold, why I don't use it and I use the iPhone XR instead, is it always ran on Android 9 and it had One UI 1.
Let me help you get set up more easily by guiding you through the steps.
Okay, so this is just a quick startup guide. Okay. Showing everything. This phone I will not be using. But like I said, this phone is very nice. If I close it, I get this tab. Okay, it's not working right now, but that's probably because I haven't set it up yet. Comes with 53% battery, it shows on the front little display. That's pretty much it for first impressions. So I'm going to set it up and I will get right back to you as soon as it's fully set up. Okay, so I've just set it up. It was a very simple process, just like you would set up any phone, any Samsung. So literally, I've just set this up exactly how it looks from the start. This is an OLED screen, just like the original Fold. Now, what I was saying before, and I didn't really get to finish, was that this phone has bristles. So this says it's more dust resistant. Does it work? Okay. So it's more dust resistant with bristles along the entire, whatchamacallit, the entire hinge. I will be doing a tips and tricks video, but that is pretty much it. So it also comes with a pinhole camera, unlike the other one with a knot that had a notch. You can really see it when you pull down here. Now, what I really like about this phone is it's thin. Use this power button. Will it work? It works. Now, I want to just see something. So, they were saying that if I hold it up and click the camera, turn it around, face me, it'll work. So, let me take a picture and see how well this works. So, okay. Now go to the photo. And there you go. It works just like that. So, see how the One UI is working? And also another thing that I need to finish is that the One UI was the original Samsung Galaxy Fold, which is why I didn't keep it, is because the One UI did not come with One UI 2. It still has Android 9 in it, still has One UI 1 in it instead of One UI 2. And this has Android 10, just a much better system. It has the same processor as the Fold, but in all, it's a much better phone. In all ways. I really like this phone. It's very tiny. You can easily fit into your pocket. It's not that much thicker, surprisingly, for it folded. But that's pretty much it for this video. So please drop a comment and a like if you've liked this video. And please just, if you want to see any more videos about this phone instead of the tips and tricks, just let me know. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you around. Take it easy. Peace.